Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve Bluetooth connectivity issues on Redmi 17 4G. First of all, if you haven't paired your Bluetooth device yet, make sure before pairing it that you enter the pairing mode on it. To do that, we not only have to turn on the Bluetooth device, but we also have to make the LED indicator blink rapidly. Usually you can achieve that by performing some combination on your power button or holding down the home button, for example. But if you want to know more, you should check the manual to your particular Bluetooth device. The goal is to achieve this blinking LED. After that, you simply have to enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, swipe down the control center, enable Bluetooth, then go to Bluetooth settings by holding your finger down right here and select your Bluetooth device. Tap pair and you'll be paired. But if you are already paired with your device and you simply cannot connect to it, what you can do is first restart both your Bluetooth device and your smartphone. To restart your smartphone, press power button and volume up key at the same time, swipe the circle down to reboot and wait. And after that, turn on your Bluetooth device and try to reconnect to it from your smartphone. If it doesn't work, you can also go to your Bluetooth devices, select your Bluetooth device and tap unpair, and then repair with it using the previously mentioned method. And if it still doesn't work for you, as the last option, we can go to settings, then open more connectivity options. Then here we're gonna have to scroll down to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now you should be aware that it will also reset your Wi-Fi connections, so you're gonna have to re-enter the Wi-Fi passwords to your networks. And once you select reset settings right here and confirm your choice, you'll most probably be able to repair your Bluetooth device to your smartphone easily. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.